Filipino Breakfast Ideas 2025. Nag-iisip ka ba ng kung anong pang-almusal ang pwede mong ihanda sa pang-araw-araw? Pwes ito na yung video para sa iyo. Tapsilog, beef silog, pancake, arroz caldo, tuyo silog, bangus silog, hot silog, pandesal at itlog, kamoting kahoy, saba, mais at kamote, champurado, bagnet at silog, ham silog, sopas, to silog, chick silog, taho, tortang talong at sinangag, tokwa at baboy, ramen, lugaw na may itlog, beef mami, pansit at pandesal, pandesal at instant pansit canton, bacon, scrambled egg and toast bread, tinapa, itlog at sinangag, cheese pandesal, nilagang saging at bagoong, ginataang bilo-bilo, egg sandwich, pandesal at homemade pansit canton, toast bread, cheese, mayonnaise, coffee and apple, monay at pansit canton, itlog na maalat at sinangag, suman at tilbok, skinless silog, oatmeal, scrambled egg toast, pan de coco with black coffee, instant pansit canton at nilagang itlog, tortang hotdog, siomai rice, toyo, nilagang okra, sinangag at itlog na maalat, tinapa silog, itlog na maalat at nilagang okra, tinapa at piniritong talong, patty and scrambled egg, instant pansit canton, tasty bread and boiled egg, toast pandesal, coffee and scrambled egg, nuggets, and last from the list, my favorite, lomi. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow for more. God bless.